Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken crispy wrap. If you want to see how I prepare this, please keep watching. So here are the ingredients. You'll be needing chicken breast. Make sure they are not too tiny, they are not too thick, but if you can get them to be a little bit more tiny is better. Okay, so they are on my kitchen oven pepper because I just love to place them there. Now I'm going to use my rolling pin to heat them just to make them a little bit tender. If you have the meat tender stuff, I don't know what it's called, you can use that, but I'm using my rolling pin to do that. So I'm flipping the chicken over to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, all right guys, I'm done with the chicken. Now is the ingredients. So I'm going to be using some semolina, some breadcrumbs, flour, thyme, marjoram, some beer, black pepper, salt, water, and lemon zest, and all-purpose of flour. So I'm going to season the all-purpose of flour with some peppers and some salt. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of marjoram and half teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to list the ingredients for you at the description. Okay, so I'm going to grate the lemon zest into the flour before adding the beer and the water. What I'm looking for here is a creamy texture, not too thick and not too watering. That is the batter you'll be needing. So make sure that your batter is not too thick and not too watering. I'm using 50 ml of beer in case you're wondering. Okay, so I'm done with the batter. Now I'm going to put that aside, bring back our chicken and start coating them. Okay guys, here is time to coat our chicken. So I'm going to dip them in the semolina first. Okay, after that, after they are well coated in the semolina, I'm going to now dip them into the flour batter. After that, I'm going to coat them again with the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to do that with the rest of the chicken. Okay guys, I'm done cutting all the chicken and they are too much because I'll be needing only three fillets. So now I'm going to freeze this one. All you need to do is to put them in the freezer, and how to use them: bring them out of the freezer and throw them into hot oil, and there you have your cotoletta. Yes, they are delicious guys, trust me. You can enjoy them with salad. I'm going to make a recipe separate for that. Okay, so I'm going to be freezing this one, and let's proceed to our recipe of today. So my oil is over the heating up, so make sure you are using a large pan for this. So I'm going to fry both sides of the chicken. Make sure that your heat is not too high and not too low. Make sure you're using medium heat because you don't want to cook them very fast. Okay, so this is the bread I'm going to be using. I'm going to start heating that up right now. So back to the chicken. Make sure you're not using over high heat, and make sure you're not using low heat. Make sure that your heats are moderated. Okay, so that one is cooked. Now I'm going to go ahead to fry the remaining one. You can actually bake them in the oven, okay, if you're trying to avoid oil. All right, All right guys, now it's time to slice the chicken and start rolling the one that is ready. So I'm just going to slice them into this tiny piece. Can you see how much that chicken is cooked? Like very cooked, the right temperature, the right I don't know how to explain, but it's well cooked. It's very cooked and the taste is amazing. Okay, the cream I'm using is a mixture of mayonnaise and the cheddar. You can use sour cream or any cream of your choice. I just decided to use cheddar cheese and the mayonnaise mixed together, okay, on this recipe. So I'm just adding them into the bread. Now I'm going to add the chicken, I'm going to add the salad, I'm going to add the tomatoes as well. Just roll them. You can add more things you want or you desire into this. It's just your choice, okay? Just add them and roll everything. Trust me, this tastes better than McWrap, okay, because McWrap is one of my favorite food, like the favorite thing I buy from McDonald's, but this tastes better than the one they sell in their store. Trust me, you can make them by yourself. So wrap them up and that is done. So I'm going to move over to the rest of the wrap, okay. Do the same thing, add any cream of your choice, add the chicken, add the salad, the tomatoes, and roll them up. You can enjoy them with whatever you want to enjoy them with, guys. This tastes amazing. You need to give it a try. You won't regret it at all. Okay guys, these are the final results. I actually made 3 wrap, this one and the one that I'm about to show you guys the picture right now. Tasted so delicious. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. God bless you. Or please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in my next one. God bless you. Bye.